Hey, what's going on, y'all? Got another exhaust video. So this one is a 350Z version ISR. The difference between the 350 and the 370, of course, is the orientation of how straight it comes out after the Y pipe versus the 370Z that kind of does an angle or a bend around the diff. So even for Tomy, like some of the 370Z guys prefer to run the 350Z version on their cars. It's a little longer, so you know, for the Nismo 370Z, it kind of comes out and it looks a little better. But so to make a 350Z ISR fit on a sedan, this one had roughly 18 inches of extension added to it. And then next to it is another Z1 exhaust I picked up. This one is right exit versus the other one I made a video of was a left exit. So, oh, and also the previous one was a G37 version that was extended to fit. But as you can kind of see, so you know, if I want to make a 370Z version fit, I probably see this one. This extension is roughly 17 inches, a little over 17. And then this one is a 14-inch extension. And even at 17, it's not kind of like meeting up. So, and this is still like an additional, you know, roughly 4 inches. So yeah, that's 21 inches. I think that kind of coincides with the measurements from the previous 370Z exhaust video. But so besides the extension, of course, hangers were relocated, cut, and then just kind of moved back a little. This is the original. This one was added. So what that probably means is this isn't used, and this is the one that's actually used. So that's about it. All right, so I hope this helps for those who are trying to fit a 350Z single exit on a sedan. I won't be able to have this exhaust on my car just because I don't have time to install it. But I have a friend that's picking up this exhaust, and hopefully I can get some sound clips off of it tonight. So fingers crossed on that. Thanks, guys.